Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have the TaoTronics TT-BR04. This is a Bluetooth car kit. It features Bluetooth 4.2, it has a noise cancelling microphone, and it also includes a 2.1 amp charging port for your cell phone. So you can charge your phone and also do hands-free calling from this device. All that for about $20 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Comes in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. It looks like on top we have some warranty information, a user guide, and then right here we have the TaoTronics Car Kit right here. So this right here is going to be the actual car kit where you can answer calls, you can also turn up and turn down the volume and then change tracks. And then this right here charges your phones. So as you can see, this just plugs right into the DC port in your car, and then you'll have two USB ports that you can plug anything into to charge. One of them is going to have to power the car kit though, so you only have one to power your phone. So as you can see, this has a nice chrome ring around it. It looks pretty good, and I like the black look right here. It looks really clean. Let's go ahead and remove this entire box. The car kit right here. So as you can see right here, we have the car kit. So this is where you control your cell phone on the car kit, and then it can be mounted right here into one of the AC vents in your car. That, or you can use the 3M tape on the back of the car kit and just stick it to your dash somewhere. As you can see on the right side, looks like we have the microphone right here. And then on the left side here, we have an on and off switch, and you could just leave this on, and it'll turn on automatically if you have it plugged into your car. On the front here, we have 5 buttons. We have the buttons on the outside, plus and minus. This is going to be for volume control. Then we have left and right, and these are going to be for your track control. For any audio that you're listening to, if you're listening to music, it'll change the track. If you're listening to a podcast, it might fast forward a little bit or go backwards. And then in the middle we have a pause and play button for audio, and then also the ability to answer and hang up on calls. Going down to the cable here, as you can see at the end of the cable you have a standard USB plug, and that can easily be plugged into the car port right here. So let me show you that right there. And then we have a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. So this is what you can plug into your car's auxiliary port, and then it will be able to play all the audio from your cell phone via Bluetooth in your car's speaker system. So it's very easy to set this up. You plug in 2 things, connect this to your cell phone, and then you're good to go. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the installation. So as you can see here, they've given you a lot of cable to work with in your car. But as you can see, the cable does split into 2, where you have the charging cable and then the auxiliary cable right here. So now we've taken a closer look at the TT-BR04 from TaoTronics. I'm going to go ahead and get this paired with my computer, and we'll do a quick microphone test so you can see what this sounds like, and hopefully that will give you a better idea of what the microphone will sound like when you're placing calls with this device. Alright guys, so I have the TT-BR04 from TaoTronics plugged into my computer, and it's also paired with my computer as well. So all the audio that you're currently hearing is coming from the microphone on the Bluetooth car kit. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of what the audio will sound like to the person you're talking to when you're on the phone in your car using this. Alright, so we're in my Honda Civic, and as you can see, the auxiliary port is right here. So that's where I'll plug in this little headphone cable. And then the power outlet is right here. So that's where I'm going to plug this into it. So let's go ahead and get started with this. First I'll plug the power in. Then I'm going to plug the USB connector into the power outlet. And then I'm going to plug the auxiliary cable into the auxiliary port. So now the car is on and the Bluetooth car kit is getting power. As you can see, it is blinking red and blue. That means it's now in pairing mode and I can get it connected to my phone. So let's go ahead and do that. In the Bluetooth settings on my phone, it comes up as TaoTronics TT-BR04. I'll select that and we're connected. So now that I have everything connected down here to power, I can now install the actual Bluetooth car kit right here, just in my air vent. So I'll do that by just putting the vent areas right between this little rubber area so that it just goes snugly in and is now secure. So now I can hit the buttons and everything and it will not fall off. After that, I turn on my radio, put it on auxiliary mode, and then any audio that will be played on my phone will now come through the car speakers. Alright, so as a test, I'm just going to play some music on Spotify. As you can see, I can turn up the volume right here on my car stereo. But as you can see right here, I can turn up the volume as well on the Bluetooth car kit. Or change songs. Turn down the volume, and then pause and play as well. So in less than 5 minutes, I've quickly installed the Bluetooth car kit, and I now have it connected to my phone, and all the audio is being played through my car's speaker. Now if I'm receiving a phone call on my phone, and I want to answer it, all I need to do is press the pause button, and that'll answer the call. I can then hang up the call by hitting the pause button again. One quick thing about the audio being played through the speakers, it sounds exactly like it would on my phone or through some headphones, so there's no static or any issue with the audio. It sounds great, just as you would expect. So that was the TaoTronics Bluetooth Car Kit TT-BR04. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Engaging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.